Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device has location and maps permissions turned on. That gives accurate position data. Next, open Google Maps, app on mobile or browser on desktop, and sign into your Google account if you want saved places. Now type the destination into the search bar and tap the result to preview. Once done, pick your travel mode: driving, walking, cycling, or transit, because each mode changes route options and travel time estimates. You'll review the suggested routes and compare distance and ETA. Tap an alternate route to switch immediately. Once chosen, add intermediate stops by selecting Add Stop and reorder them if needed so your trip flows logically. Make sure to set depart or arrive times for planning, and use the Avoid Tolls/Highways options when required so the route matches your priorities. Also enable voice guidance and lane assistance so navigation cues are timely and reduce stress while driving. You'll tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation, listen to voice prompts, and glance at the map for upcoming turns. This keeps you focused and safe. As you travel, Google Maps updates traffic in real time and will offer reroutes. Accept them automatically or review before switching so you control the choice. If guidance becomes inaccurate, first toggle location off and on or restart the app. If the problem persists, clear app cache or check for app updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.